Now that summer's here and we're having friends over and gatherings in our homes and backyards, one thing we can do to promote our health is to select and use a healthy cooking oil for both grilling and cooking. Why, you may ask? Well, there's one phrase, and that is smoke point. Smoke point is the temperature at which an oil breaks down into unhealthy substances, and you actually see this going into the air as smoke. And you may have smelt it in your homes. It can be very uncomfortable and unpleasant. This is a sign, actually, that it is breaking down into very unhealthy substances. So, as a strategy for health and tasty food, make sure that you're cooking with a gourmet cooking oil that has an exceptionally high smoke point, say for example above 500 degrees. At Eniva Health, we have formulated a wonderful gourmet formula called the Eniva Healthy Cooking Oil, appropriately named.